Charging is complete. The test will commence in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The vehicle is underway.
We're publishing crash test ratings for 11 pickup trucks, 4 small and 7 large. 3 were rated good, 2 are acceptable, 5 are marginal, and 1 is poor. A small overlap crash is one in which about a quarter of the vehicle's bumper impinges on its crash partner. In our test, that's a rigid barrier. In a real crash, it might be a vehicle, a tree, or other roadside object. We test both the driver and passenger sides, but today's results are for the passenger side. It's more challenging to provide crash protection in small overlap crashes because the energy-absorbing structures at the front of the vehicle are often missed or not fully engaged when the crash forces are directed toward the outer edges of the vehicle. 3 pickup trucks earned good ratings for front passenger protection in small overlap crashes: the Ford F-150, the Ram 1500, and the Nissan Titan. All 3 are large pickup trucks. Small pickups aren't providing as good front passenger protection in small overlap crashes as the larger ones. The best rated small pickup is the Toyota Tacoma, which is rated acceptable. Pickup trucks from Chevy, GMC, and Nissan are rated marginal. We haven't yet tested the all-new Ford Ranger, but we'll be publishing those ratings soon. The Ford F-150 offered the best front passenger protection among all 11 pickup trucks we recently tested. The survival space held up well, and readings from the sensors in the dummy indicate low risk of injury to all body regions. The occupant compartment of the Toyota Tundra didn't hold up very well in our test. For example, the tow pan was moved 15 inches back towards the dummy's leg, and sensors in the dummy's right leg indicated a high risk of injury. Plus, as the A-pillar crumpled, the dummy's head struck the grab handle mounted there. What's common to both the Toyota Tundra and the Nissan Frontier is that neither provides adequate protection in small overlap crashes. Both the driver's side and passenger side for both vehicles is rated less than acceptable in our tests. The Honda Ridgeline is the only pickup truck to earn a 2019 Top Safety Pick. Its acceptable rating for front passenger protection in small overlap crashes, combined with good ratings in all our other crash tests, plus the availability of superior rated front crash prevention and good headlights, qualify it for this award. Our latest ratings show that most pickups need better protection for front passengers in small overlap crashes, and all but one need better headlights.